ScriptCo Pharmacy Honest review. Watch before using. ScriptCo Pharmacy is a Texas-based membership-driven online pharmacy that provides generic prescription medication at wholesale price. By bypassing traditional insurance model, ScriptCo offers significant saving to its members. And here are the key features about this platform, which is the membership option. So quarterly, $50 per quarter, including the free shipping on the package per quarter, and annually it is $140 per year with free shipping on 4 package annually. And for the family package, which is the family option, they provide $280 per year, covering up to 4 families member and offering free shipping on 4 package annually. And medication pricing, access to generic medications at wholesale cost, potentially saving member up to 99% compared to traditional pharmacies. And the complimentary shipping is included based on membership ties, with additional shipment available for free. And here's the cons and the pros and the cons about this platform, which is the favorable part and the downside. So talking about the favorable part of this platform, which is the cost savings. Member can achieve substantial saving on a generic medication, with some reports indicating annual savings of over $1,000. And the transparency part, ScriptCo provides clear pricing without hidden fee, allowing members to know their medications cost upfront. And convenience. On the convenience part, medications are delivered directly to member home, eliminating the need for in-person pharmacy visits. And talking about the downside about this platform, the membership fee. An upfront membership fee is required, which may be cost effective for individuals with minimal medication need. And the insurance limitation, ScriptCo does not accept insurance, and many out-of-pocket payments do not contribute to insurance debuts. And the generic medication only. The pharmacy exclusively offer generic medication. Brand name drugs are not available. And here the conclusion about this platform. ScriptCo Pharmacy presents a compelling option for individuals seeking affordable access to generic medication, especially those without insurance or high out-of-pocket cost. The membership model, while requiring an upfront fee, can lead to significant savings for regular medication users. However, those requiring brand names, drugs, or prefer to use insurance may find limitation with these services. Prospective members should evaluate their medication needs and calculate potential savings to determine if ScriptCo align with their healthcare and financial requirement.